OC, in OC button, there are few boxes. These boxes are the optimization parameters that you learn in your textbook, in your notes. This one, relaxation factors, that means eta. Okay? This is the number of cycles, number of intervals. These two boxes you may not need to modify. You only need to modify it. These are relaxation factors. Okay. For smaller values, that means the steps are larger for the resizing algorithm. If this value is smaller, that means the moving step is smaller. What is the value? I don't know. It's normally 10, the order of 10. 4, 10, 16, it normally in this value, not greater than 100, okay? And this one is the convergence criteria. Also, you may not need to modify this value. You only need to modify the virtual load and the eta, relaxation factor. Then we need to specify the variables, the sizing variables that you want to modify. You need to search in the optimizations. What you can do is batch all the members at once and then delete some of them, or you can add it one by one. I usually batch all the members. For the columns, for example, I have lower one. I just change the B. Usually D do not allow you to change because of the architectural requirement. You cannot deepen up the beam so deep and obstruct the access. Okay. Usually we only change the B. You can set the upper bound and lower bound of the optimizations. And then after setting the forms, you can set the beams. This is too small. Curve values is 0.5, but the upper one is 0.4. It's not correct, right? I can modify. You can modify it one by one, or you did it. Or you can get it. And then do it again.
关注啊，
G 就是 depth
看，所以他说看在能改的呀，
Make sure curve value is within these two bounds, lower bound and upper bound. Otherwise, you cannot do the optimization.
它这个讲的颜色，
After setting
如果是结构太复杂，需要调小会调
the
大。
design variables and setting up the values of the optimization parameter, then we can do the sizing optimization.
所以你要把那个
What you need to do is
更容易的找到那个
export file.
后面的那个大家都会来
After export the file, you can find these two files. 12S OPT and 12S S2K. You You can also look at the file by the notepad or WordPad. In this one, I just control the top disk and the inner storage disk because I have set the drift constraint to be 2. Number of drift constraints to one is for the top drift and one is for the inner storage drift. Okay. After we setting up all the files, it's ready for the size and optimization. The step is first you need to copy these 2 files to another folder. Usually I will copy to 10. Copy these 2 files to 10 to see 10 travelers. Okay. Then you need to make sure your computers have sub 2000. On the 10 as well. In this, we don't have it. So we need to copy the files. For yourself, usually I will copy the file to this 10. Yeah. And place it on this 10 folder. Usually I will do it in this way. Then change the name to set to down. Then menu, utilities. Copy this to setp.exe and setgo.exe. Out to this list. Out to here. Okay. Is it okay? Then copy. Setgo. And change the name. And place it and change the name to setgo. At the end. Then in this set you have setp, setgo, and setgo.exe, 3 files. Okay?
Could you put about the 3 names? Could you put the 3 class names on the bottom? We didn't follow.
Usually I will copy the file you need to create a folder. Okay, a folder that contains two files.